Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and asked me to make payment for their order on 1688, and I decided to make a video about it so you can see how to make payment for your order on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. You can see the proof and the screenshot of all the order right here, and likewise the order link. Everything is here, and I'm going to use this as an example and show you how to make payment for your goods on 1688. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to procure your link on Shenyun Chinese shopping app or IDFish Chinese shopping app, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do, like I said earlier, I'm going to access from my WhatsApp right here. Then I will go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. After opening up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on my cart right here, because I have already added all the products to cart. So here we go. So these are all the products I'm going to pay for right here. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and select them one after the other. I'm paying for this, 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 paying for this, paying for this. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Alright, so from the checkout right here, review everything and be sure they are all correct. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Just like so. So I'm paying the sum of 229.65 yuan to purchase all these goods with my Alipay. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment using my Alipay. So I'm going to click on here now. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the transaction. Now payment done, successful right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot proof of payment right here. I go ahead and make sure I click on here to close this pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on my profile right here. By the time I refresh my profile, all the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. We have all the products right here. Lastly, I will access from my 1688 right here and head over to my WhatsApp and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them. So click on my gallery right here, select proof of payment and say payment made. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shenyun app, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.